Daniel, in your experience in facilitating finance to Africa, what can we learn that can strengthen trade locally in the continent?
Certainly. I think that the common vision that everyone here on this panel has, and perhaps everyone in this room has for Africa, is to see Africa move away from its reliance on debt. And the question is, what replaces that? And what I've seen firsthand through SIX is that equity investments can replace debt. We've seen companies from Ghana, for example, go onto Six.com, start from a $2 million market cap, and grow to be worth over $1.5 billion in market cap. And the way that they achieved this was by going to North American investors, presenting the vision that they had for their company, and able to secure that capital from North American investors, bringing it into Africa, and then subsequently, in the case of this company in Ghana, being able to actually build a project locally there that stimulated the economy and created value. The challenge for that Africa has historically, in terms of accessing North American capital, is firstly a geographic problem. It's very, very far away. The internet solves this easily. Through the internet, anyone can access an investment opportunity in Africa through the click of a button, right from the comfort of their mobile phone or from their living room or wherever they happen to be. And so African businesses tapping into that opportunity of presenting their vision that they have for their business and doing so through the internet and accessing North American investors is tremendous. The second challenge that African businesses have is the culture of communication. North American investors expect far more abundance insofar as the frequency of communication. It's not the case like you communicate once a quarter or once a year. It has to be constant, it has to be daily, it has to be weekly, it has to be very frequent updates. The second aspect for North America...
Just to be clear, you mean if an investor invests in your business, you want more communication?
Precisely.
I see.
And so the opportunity that I've seen firsthand for African businesses in particular is leveraging North American capital by communicating with investors, bringing in that capital from North America into Africa, and then subsequently building their businesses. And when the returns follow, those investors that invest in additional opportunities. And that can be the way that, as a continent and in various countries within Africa, can go and transition away from debt into an equity-based model and have growth that's domestic and that's effective.